YouTubers, today I'm gonna show you how to unlock everything in the Capcut program, unlock all the pro effects. So the first thing you need to do is go on to the browser and write on Google download Capcut older versions. Then you go to this one, up to down, go in here. So the version that's gonna work with this is 7.5, this one. So I've already downloaded, but go in this one, 7.5, go down, press download. After you download this one, I've already done that. Click this away. Then you start the Capcut program, double tap. So here you can press create project, you can press import. Let's just do a picture of me, just drag and drop whatever video or picture or whatever, then go in the effects. So as you can see, all these effects are pro version, so let's do this one. And let's do some filters. This is a pro version as well, so let's do this, the final one here. So now as you can see, these are pro effects. So if you press export, it's gonna tell you need to pay to get these pro features. Go back to edit, then press Ctrl and A. You will highlight all these effects and the video, right click and press create compound clip, subdo, subproject. Then it would mesh together. Then right click it again and do pre-process compound clip. Press this one. It will take, like, this one will go fast because it's a small file. After that's done, just go down, then right click the Capcut program and go to open file location. So here you can press the Capcut here, then user data, and go down and go to projects and press this one, com.draft, not the other one but this in the middle. Then here I have the Capcut. So here you can see the video is called 04066. So this is the one. Double tap here, then you go to resources, combination. So this is not the one, the blank one, the first one, this one, .mp4. So what you need to do, you can't actually play it right now. I'm gonna try, it's not gonna work. So for it to work, you need to drag and drop. So go to media and let me see, just need to, okay, drag this here like this. So this is the edited version. So drag this one again on top of this one. It will say replace clip. Press this one. Now it has replaced the clip, so the program won't know that you've used all the pro effects. So now you can hit export. Here you can export it to, I always take the desktop like this. Here you can choose 60 frames, and here you can use 8K or 4K or whatever, doesn't matter. Let's do 4K. Go down, hit export button. So this is gonna go pretty fast, it's only 5 seconds, this video. When this is done, just press cancel here like this. Now you can hit X button, just close the program. Now I've made a new video. This is the newest video with the pro effects. Let's see, double tap, and here you go, guys. So this is the quick and easy way to use all the pro effects. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and like my channel and this video and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. Bye bye.